will, he'll, shouldn't have, could have. Are you using contractions in your speech? Want to sound more native-like? Let's take a closer look. Contractions in English are one of those things that native speakers use very, very often in speaking, but a lot of language learners don't use as often, and it's something that can really help speed up your speech and make you sound more natural. Let's start off by looking at some future contractions. These are cases where instead of using will, we'll just use an apostrophe ll or ol. A lot of times these words will also get reduced. For instance, in the word she'll, instead of saying she will, it often gets reduced to she'll. Take a look at this sentence. She'll go to the store. She'll go to the store. Instead of saying she will go to the store, it's very common to hear she'll go to the store. This is also similar for he'll. Instead of saying he will, it often becomes he'll. For instance, in this example, he'll take his sister. He'll take his sister. Similarly, for the future with we, there's also going to be a reduction to will. We'll make it on time. We'll make it on time. Instead of saying we will make it on time, it gets reduced to will. We'll make it on time. You will become you'll. You'll never believe this. You'll never believe this. So instead of saying you will never believe this, much more common to hear you'll never believe this. It'll. Instead of saying it will, it often gets reduced and has a fast D sound with it'll. It'll rain today. It'll rain today. Lastly, they will get reduced to they'll. They'll make sure to leave. They'll make sure to leave. Instead of saying they will make sure to leave, you can say they'll make sure to leave. There are many other types of contractions besides these, so what we're going to do now is do a little bit of practice. I'll say a sentence with a contracted form, give you an opportunity to guess what the non-contraction would be, and then we'll repeat it. He's gone to the store. He's gone to the store. He has gone to the store. You'd better hurry. You'd better hurry. You had better hurry. The battery must have died. The battery must have died. The battery must have died. I shouldn't have left you. I shouldn't have left you. I should not have left you. Notice that becomes shouldn't have. I shouldn't have left you. The boys must have seen it. The boys must have seen it. The boys must have seen it. She mustn't have signed the contract. She mustn't have signed the contract. She must not have signed the contract. So again, that becomes mustn't have. She must not have. She mustn't have. The boss wouldn't have locked the door. The boss wouldn't have locked the door. The boss would not have locked the door. The boss wouldn't have locked the door. The accident could have happened to me. 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 As you can see with this quick introduction to contractions, they're an extremely common form for native speakers to use. So if you're trying to make your spoken English sound more natural, I encourage you to try to incorporate them into your speech more often. For more information on these and other sounds, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updates when our newest videos come out, and also be sure to take a look at our other videos as well. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in a future lesson. Take care.